Now we're going to be making the chocoflan. Okay, so you're going to need a blender, a pan, and this is where we're going to put our chocoflan. This is what you're going to need to make your chocoflan. So first we have pure vanilla, then we have sugar and a cup to measure it for how much sugar you need. Cake mix, chocolate, it says right there. Then we're going to have evaporate milk, la lechera. Then we're gonna have eggs. What is this, butter? Oh, cream cheese. Okay, first you're going to need butter to spread on your pan, and then a paper towel.
Okay, open it and do it. Oh, you're gonna need an extra pan because you're gonna put water.
Yeah. You're gonna spread it on your pan.
Tamariz doesn't want it in there, but
It's my video. First, you're going to need a can opener. It's kind of hard. Yeah, cheese cream room temperature. Okay, now we're going to put our 4 eggs.
tíralo al sink.
Oh no, this one, I did this one wrong. Now we're going to put the cheese cream.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese. Stuck there. Okay. And then we're going to pour evaporated milk in. We're going to put condensed milk in. And you need pure vanilla extract.
We don't have a teaspoon, so 2 of those. 1.
Unless it didn't spill.
Just a little one. 2. Okay.
Okay. Now we are going to put the lid on. Power.
Okay, and then press 1.
Half a cup of sugar. And then you're going to need to grab a little pan. Then you're going to turn your stove to medium. Now we are going to grab half a cup of sugar. And so now we are going to put water to like right here. 350 degrees. Going to put the pan with the water so it can warm up.
Slide it in. There you go. You did it. Okay. Having a snack?
Yeah. Careful with it because this is very hot.
Yeah.
Now we're going to pour this.
Just pour it.
Okay. Now we are going to move the caramel around. Okay, now we are going to pour this. We're going to cover this. Now you're going to open your oven.
Grab it good.
Close it. You're going to need your cake mix. 1
1/4
cups of water and 1
half
cup of vegetable oil and 3 eggs. good.
There you go.
Wash my hands again. First, just grab that. Then you go between your fingers, go under your nails, and on the back. Then you put water.
A half a
Yes.
cup. All
A
right.
half a cup.
All right, pour it in.
Put it all around. Now we're going to put some. All of it.
Yes, all of it.
And we're going to close this. Power. Then we press 1. So the flan has been there for 35 minutes. Cake mix, that's chocolate flavor.
Put it on the top.
And we're gonna put it on the top. Okay, now you guys, when you open it, you have to be very careful.
With the steam.
Yeah.
Pull it back. There you go.
Oh no. Now,
Yes.
we're going to spread it all around. Now we're going to cover it back up, and then we're going to put it in the oven for 35 minutes. When your cake is baking, you should go ahead and wash your bases.
Adult supervision required.
Thank you.
And then when you're done washing your dishes, you should clean your sink. When you're done, you should clean your counter. So now we're going to take it out.
Is it hot?
No, not that. Yes, it is.
Put 2 hands.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. Can you pat your bun? Let's see if it's done. Ooh, it's done.
Is it hollow?
Look at right here. It looks very smooth.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that, guys. Hey. Okay. We put it out and we let it cool down for
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Now
Now it is time to flip it over, put it on here.
We're gonna do it with this plate because it's first time. Ready, set, go.
I think it's good.
All right, so take the revealing top off. You did your first chocoflan.
Look at how this came out. This came great.
For your first time, it's awesome.
Yeah. Yes. I'm really excited to try it. Okay. I hope you guys like this video of teaching you how to make chocoflan. And subscribe, thumbs up, and comment down below.
What's the next recipe you want me to do, or
Yeah,
the next thing
I
you want
like-
me to bake?
Like another thing you want me to make, or like other other videos.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Peace.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear kid.